داره میپزم. هوا خیلی گرمه خدایی.
بنداز. Let's go down. Okay, it's great, it's thick ice. I have 20 kilo on my back, still can walk on the ice. Look at these guys. Oh my god. Woo. It's perfect time for camping. Hello guys, after 3 hours of work, finally we're done. There is fire, it's hot, it's snowing as well, there is a lot of wind. I can show you a little bit inside in a second. Look at this cozy place with a lot of woods and fire. There is look at this, huh? What do you think?
Expert دیگه.
There is a fire. Wow, it's nice and cozy. It's a big tent, it's for 4 people when you put the stove, so it's for 2.
4 نفر.
Yeah, if there is no stove, so it's 4 people you can fit in. Otherwise it's 2 people. There is no snow in the ground, that's why we camped here. Otherwise it's a lot of snow on the other side. So you can see all this is the lake. It's ice. We are cooking very good steaks, maybe a bouillon, meat bouillon, like beef bouillon. And stay for the night here tomorrow as well, and then in the evening we will go. It's right now it's maybe 3:30. It's already dark, so we are prepared, so it's good. Ah! Look at this steak. Calls my name, guys. Calls my name. Wait. Oh.
دیگر شده.
Oh. Jijikunigo. Oh guys, look at this. Oh my god. Just fat. It's so cold, I need to eat it very quick. Otherwise it freezes. Wow. You need to go winter camping. Pure fat. Butter. Oh, I'm so done. Done.
سرش نیا کن در نره.
نه میدونم. تبره رو نگاه کن.
Du kan kolla allting är rätt. Jättebra, så ingen har...
Crazy.
Så, ja.
So, snow is... It's snowing still, and I went far away on that side to bring some snow. We don't have enough water, so we melt snow, and yeah, so we have some water, we can cook with it and we can drink it. It's easy, clean water. And yeah, look at this snow, it's perfect. Okay, it's 10 o'clock. We are very tired. We sleep. So there is fire as well. Maybe we will not put more woods and just go to sleep and see it tomorrow. Hopefully we're not freezing to death tonight. Good morning, guys. Currently it's 8 a.m. It's really cold, windy the whole night, but we slept really warm, and the fire is going, and for now it says it's -2, but it feels like -7. I think it's even colder here because of the wind, but yeah, everything is frozen tonight, and there was a lot of snow, but it blows away. The tents are like completely frozen down there, and yeah, the rest is fine. You see the lake is completely frozen. We were walking yesterday on it. Today it's even thicker probably, or the same. Wow. Look. Okay, guys, we need to go for a walk from ice to ice in the middle of the lake. We have tea with us, we have snacks, and let's go. Sounds so good when you walk in the ice. It's crispy. It's a beautiful day. It's beautiful. Okay, guys, look at the background on top of the lake. We are about to drink some tea. Ah, my back. There is some ambulance searching for somebody. I don't know, someone in the jungle, in the forest, broke their leg or something. When it's minus and windy, the only thing is you can enjoy it's tea, a hot tea. Javier. Mire, skål! Oh. It's so windy and cold. If you face towards the wind, you might cry. Or maybe 40 minutes ago, we boiled the tea, we fixed the tea in the thermos that keeps it 24 hours hot. It's so cold, when you drink it, you don't feel hot. And it shows you the ice. There's the ice. There you go. We're camping right there, probably. It's very far away. How do you feel?
Amazing. It's so warm.
Yeah.
So, inside. Outside is cold. Minus 6 there.
It's really windy. Almost the campsite. That corner. The water is finished, the tea is finished, so we need to melt snow again to make some tea, some drinking water, because the snow is clean, so you don't need any filtration, you just boil it and that's it, and you can drink it. So from last night I brought here, take it, all this snow. When you want to take snow in the winter, go somewhere that's no one can go, or no animal. In this case I found these trees, so there is a snow and I want to take it. So first there is many layers snowed, so I take the first layer because it's a little bit dirty on top, and those tree branches or leaves that's falling down, you see I cleaned here this part, and it's completely clean, there is nothing inside, so I just scoop it as much as I can. You see there is nothing, and this is an amazing snow. See, some branches is under, but otherwise it's completely clean snow. See, there is some branches under because the little snow is finishing. So this is around 2 liters of water it will bring this snow, because on top of the snow someday it rains, so it's packed full of water almost. This snow, it's perfect. So it's just, you don't need to melt a lot of snow to get a lot of water now, because the rain is made more compact, the snow, and there is more water, so it's not dry snow. There you go. I put snow on this. It's already melted. Oh my god. It's perfect.
Up to there?
Yes. Almost. Looks really cozy. This is fat only. You see? Everything is cleaned up. A little fire for warming up for the last seconds, and then head up towards home because it's really cold. Okay guys, time to go home. Time to go home. See you on the next video. We're done. Oh, it's too cold.